Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos. Welcome to Tuesday Tags. This is a new series that I'll be doing every Tuesday and showing off tags. As I love tags, it's lovely to do cards, but it's also nice to have other things, and I do love my tags. Now this has been cased from Pinterest, and it is by Heidi Smith, flutterbyheidi.wordpress.com. Now we will be using our Best Birds stamp set, our scallop tag topper punch, and we'll be using crumb cake, pink pirouette and old olive inks. So all you're going to need for this project is a very small piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 by 4 inches. So go ahead and pop that in your tag topper punch. I'm just going to do 2 while we're here. There you go. That's all you're going to need that for. Now bring in your paper piecing mat and some scrap paper, and we're going to do our stamping. Now of course you can round the corners off on that. I didn't. Now by trial and error I decided that it's better to do the sentiment first, because a couple of times I had done this project and I left the tag till last and didn't leave enough space. So we're using It's a Good Day from the Best Birds, then we're going to be using the branch, and the first one that we're doing comes out just a bit about there, and then second one is more to the bottom, but leave a little bit of space because there's a flower that we want to get in there as well. And then taking the little flower from the stamp set, we're going to be doing one coming out here and one coming down here, and that's it for the flowers. And then we just need the bird. So we're going to try and get him sitting on the branch like so. There you go. That's all of the stamping done. I'm just going to, now I'm going to pop this down on, actually I'll keep it on here so you can see it. Now what we're going to do is going to take our aqua pen and we're just going to add some colour to the tag. So taking the old olive, I'm just going to give that a little bit of a squeeze, and we're just going to add some colour to the leaves. And up here. And then I think I just put a little tiny bit up here. I think that's it for the old olive. I'm cleaning off my brush. I'm going to be taking the crumb cake next and just give it a squeeze. And I just added some to the top of the bird here, and a little bit down here, but I didn't go too far with that. And then I've just come in and done the branches here, a little bit there, and a little bit up here. That's it. Really, they don't take very long. And then last but not least, pink pirouette, and we're just going to add some colour to the flowers. That's it. And then a little bit to the breast of the bird. Just to give that a little bit of colour there. And that is it. That's all you need to do. Now, you can use any ribbon. I am using, if I can find it, the gold one from the celebration, the freebie one that we got. And it's going to pop that through there. Give that a cut. And just putting a knot in the top here and sliding it down. Well, that's what I do anyway. And then just, made a mess of it there. Alright, try again. And just pushing that down there. And then we're just going to cut these ends. And there you have it. Super fast, quick and easy tag. So I hope you enjoyed our Tuesday tags, and have a new one next week. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye.